What if learning felt less like a routine and more like an invitation? Welcome to Neuron Academy, where every question sparks a journey. Here, lessons are not told, they're discovered. Concepts unfold through stories, experiments, and the kind of explanations that stick. Our classrooms are small by design, big on attention. Every doubt met, every idea nurtured. From the first aha in algebra to the confident stride before an exam, growth happens step by step, moment by moment. We blend rigorous fundamentals with hands-on thinking, so students don't just memorize formulas, they understand why they work. Mentors here aren't just teachers, they're guides. They track progress, tailor support, and celebrate every milestone. Results are a byproduct of care. But what really defines us is the confidence students carry beyond our classrooms. At Neuron Academy, learning is communal. Ideas are debated, friendships are formed, leaders are made. Parents trust us because we listen, and because we deliver measurable, meaningful progress. We're more than a coaching center. We're a place that builds thinkers, resilient, curious, ready. Neuron Academy. Ignite curiosity, build confidence, shape futures. Join us, and let's light the path ahead.